Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Pipsticks order in. Oh my god, it's already that time of the month. Let's see what I got. Oh, let's see. So we got the little catalog it comes with. And okay, so let's see. This is the classic. So let's see. We have a paper here. Yeah. Oh, where's my little hand? Oh, so it's mushrooms, the moon, a butterfly, or a moth. It looks like a moth to me. So remember, we get 15 of these, 15 sheets, and it's $19.25. And that's for both kits, $19.25 for each kit. So you pick the classic, or you can pick the kids. If I could only choose one, I would choose the kids. That's just my personal opinion. If I can only afford one, that's what I would do. This is a witch with a sword. Eye of Newt. And we have the kitty cat with the moon and stars. Oh, look at the coffin. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad, because I know people are always like, I don't like Halloween. I don't celebrate Halloween. Why are you putting this into our kits a month? You know, you should think about everybody. And I'm glad they did it. I'm glad they put a couple of Halloween stuff in, because, you know, not every, you know, try and satisfy everybody, right? So I love the tarot cards. Is it tarot? Tarot? I love that. That one's cool. Oh my god, you guys, this one's my absolute favorite. Oh my god, this is my favorite. I'm on the shaky side, so sorry. Oh, I love that. Now remember, they have a Pipsticks. Oh, look at this one. A buy and sell board. So if you don't like your Halloween stuff, you can sell them, or you can trade them. So it's, you know, or give them to your kids, or give them to in your, I don't know, throw them away. I don't know, but it's just, it's you know, just, they're fun. Someone will love them. So send your kids off, put it in their lunch pail, and they can give it to some other kid. And that would be cool too. Like a little pay it forward. Because I love the Halloween stuff. I think that's cool that they left it in. So hopefully they do that with Christmas. This is my first year with them, so hopefully they have a Christmas pack. I'm hoping they have a Thanksgiving so we can have turkeys and Indians and pilgrims and the whole traditional stuff. I love that. And then you get a postcard. Snail mail is magical. Okay, so that was a classic. Let's look at the kids one. So I opened up this one. Okay, so this is the kids one. Oh, I'm so excited. And they can play with those. They can color in these. They can put their stickers in there. That's like, choke. Heimlich. But they could put their stickers on here if they wanted. That would be a little bit on the hard side. But yes, it happens. I see it. I see moms and dads posting pictures of their kids putting their stickers on things, so it's pretty cool. They have cool moms and dads. Because me, I'll be like, oh, that's creepy. That is funny, all at the same time. He's got socks on. Love it. Postcard. Oh, I gotta sneeze. I have to sneeze, you guys. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Oh, the door. Look at the door. Oh my god, look at the mummy one. That is so cool. Love that. Oh my god, you have the actual sticker version of that one. It's hilarious. Look at this one. Oh my, okay, I tell you, babe, the kids pack is the best. Yes. I get more enjoyment out of the kids pack than anything. Love it. But I think you get a sneak peek of these. I think you get, so you could easily say, hey, you know what, can I skip this month? I'm sure if you really wanted to. It's funny. Oh my gosh. Worth $19.25, you guys. $19.25. That is total. So that includes shipping. You got the black cats. Poor black cats. They get such a bad reputation. The werewolves. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this salt and pepper. Oh my gosh. Salt and pepper. Bee and honey. Mermaid and sailor. Oh my gosh. Eggs and bacon. Oh my gosh. And then sun and rainbow. And milk and cookies. That's the milk and cookies one. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love it so much. So these are all Halloween. Look at them. Oh, I love the drive-in. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, yes. I love it. Oh, I love the film strips. Oh, so cool. Oh, wow. Little masks. Oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. These are fabulous. I am in love. I love the kids pack. Oh my god, it's my favorite. And then they have a little strip of pumpkins. And then look at this one, you guys. This scratch and sniff. It's a blueberry scented. Oh, I love, love, love this. Oh, absolute favorite. And then, of course, you get puffy stickers. Love the puffies. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at the puffies. All right, guys, so see y'all next month. Love it. This one.